If CapCut on PC is showing a network error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as fast as possible. This issue is usually caused by a blocked connection, a VPN, a bad cache file, or even a temporary CapCut server outage. So before you assume something is broken on your computer, let's go through the simple checks first. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this one. First, let's check your network connection. A network error in CapCut PC can sometimes happen because your internet provider, router, or local firewall is interfering with CapCut servers. The fastest way to test this is to switch networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try connecting your PC to a mobile hotspot and then open CapCut again. If CapCut works on the hotspot, then the issue is likely with your regular network and not the app itself. You can also try a different Wi-Fi network if one is available. Sometimes that small change is enough to bypass a network restriction and get CapCut loading properly again. Next, make sure you disable any VPN, proxy, or ad blocking service you may have running. CapCut can block connections coming from commercial VPNs, and in some cases, a proxy or network filter can trigger the same network error. Turn off the VPN completely, close CapCut, and then reopen it after a few seconds. If you use any browser-based privacy tools, network filters, or security software that controls internet traffic, temporarily disable those as well, just for testing. Once everything is off, restart CapCut and see if the error is gone. If it still happens, the next thing to do is clear the app cache. Over time, corrupted cache files can cause strange loading problems, login issues, and network errors inside CapCut. To do this, open CapCut on your PC and go into the settings area. Then look under the drafts tab, where you should see the cache size and a trash icon next to it. Click that trash icon to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to fail when it tries to connect online. After clearing the cache, fully close CapCut and launch it again so it can rebuild fresh data. This step fixes a lot of problems when the app seems stuck, slow, or unable to reach the server. Now, if you've checked your connection and cleared the cache, but CapCut still shows a network error, the next step is to check whether CapCut servers are down. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. Search the phrase "is CapCut down" in your browser and look for downdetector results. If you see a spike in reports from other users, that means CapCut may be having a temporary outage. In that case, the best fix is to wait until the service comes back online. You can also check again later or try reopening CapCut after some time. If the servers are down, no local fix on your PC will solve it immediately because the app simply cannot connect to CapCut systems until they are restored. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix a CapCut PC network error is to first switch networks and test a hotspot, then disable VPNs, proxies, and ad blockers, then clear the cache from CapCut settings under the Drafts tab, and finally check whether CapCut servers are actually down. In most cases, one of these steps solves the issue phase. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.